Hello, and welcome back to BIM Design Studio, building smarter, designing better. In today's video, we're diving deep into a comparison between three essential tools in Autodesk Navisworks family: Navisworks Manage, Navisworks Simulate, and Navisworks Freedom. If you are a BIM professional, project manager, coordinator, or simply someone exploring the right software for coordination and model review, this video is for you. Let's get started. Autodesk Navisworks is a powerful project review software used primarily in the AEC industry. It enables integration, simulation, and review of 3D models from various design disciplines, helping project teams identify and solve issues before they hit the construction site. However, there are three different versions of Navisworks, each serving distinct purpose, and there's where many get confused. Now let's talk about the overview of each product of Autodesk Navisworks. Navisworks Freedom is a completely free tool from Autodesk that functions primarily as a model viewer. It enables users to open NWD and DWF files, explore the model, and inspect its geometry and basic properties. While it lacks advanced features like class detection, 4D simulation, and rendering capabilities, it's perfectly suited for stakeholders who only need to view the model and join review meetings without editing or conducting detailed analysis. Navisworks Simulate sits right in the middle of the Navisworks product range, offering a solid set of features focused on bringing your project to life visually. It lets you create 4D simulations by connecting the model to your construction schedule, making it easier to understand how a project will unfold over time. You can also produce high-quality renderings, take virtual walkthroughs, animate model elements, create section views, and perform quantification. While it doesn't include class detection, it's a great choice for anyone looking to plan, present, and communicate their project clearly and effectively. Lastly, Navisworks Manage is the most feature-rich and powerful version in the Navisworks family. It builds on everything offered in Navisworks Simulate, like 4D scheduling, rendering, animation, and quantification, and adds a key capability, class detection. This tool helps you catch conflict in the model, such as a duct running through a beam, before they become real-world problems. It's a must-have for BIM coordinators, VDC managers, construction leads, and anyone deeply involved in the model coordination. With Class Detective, you can spot issues early, assign them to the right team members, and keep your project running smoothly. Here's a side-by-side breakdown of the key features. You can pause the video and learn about the key features of all the products of Navisworks. Now let's talk about the use cases. When should you use each version? Navisworks Freedom is best suited for scenarios where model integration is limited to viewing and basic review. It's ideal for project stakeholders who need to access and explore models without making changes, field staff who want to reference the model on site, and clients who are part of walkthroughs or design presentations but don't require editing or analysis capabilities. Navisworks Simulate is a great fit for professionals who need to bring models to life through time-based planning and visual storytelling. It's perfect for 4D planning and scheduling specialists who link construction tasks to model elements, visualization artists creating high-quality walkthroughs and animations, and project engineers who need to review timelines and simulate construction sequences for better planning and communication. Lastly, Navisworks Manage is essential for complex coordination tasks and multidisciplinary collaboration. It's a go-to choice for BIM coordination meetings where identifying and resolving clashes is critical. With its powerful class detection and issue tracking tools, it supports seamless coordination across structural, MEP, and architectural disciplines, making it indispensable for large-scale projects that demand precision, accountability, and efficient team collaboration. All Navisworks products integrate smoothly with tools like Autodesk Revit, AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and even non-Autodesk formats such as IFC and SketchUp. Additionally, NWT files exported from Manage or Simulate can be shared with Freedom users, facilitating seamless downstream communication. However, Freedom cannot edit or run simulations on those files. So, which Navisworks version is right for you? If your role involves simply viewing and navigating models without making changes, Navisworks Freedom is the perfect, no-cost solution. If your focus is on 4D simulation, visual storytelling, and project planning, then Navisworks Simulate offers the tools you need to bring your designs to life. But if you are responsible for BIM coordination, clash detection, and resolving design conflicts across disciplines, Navisworks Manage is a comprehensive solution built for you. For most AEC firms involved in pre-construction planning or BIM coordination, Navisworks Manage is the standard. But for stakeholders and planners, Simulation and Freedom offer excellent value without extra cost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your team. Don't forget to subscribe to BIM Design Studio for more insights on Autodesk tools, BIM workflows, and project delivery best practices. And let us know in the comments which version of Navisworks do you use in your projects. Until then, keep building smarter and designing better. This is BIM Design Studio. See you in the next one.